A new U.S. Air Force recruitment video, released on April 11, 2025, by General David Ulvin, the 23rd Chief of Staff, has stirred speculation among defense analysts. A brief shot in the video shows an unidentified stealth aircraft taxiing under cover of night, prompting many to wonder if this is a prototype linked to the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) initiative. The jet's design, notably missing canards seen in Boeing's F-47 concept and sporting vertical stabilizers unlike most NGAD illustrations, has led to theories that it might be a Lockheed or Boeing prototype, or perhaps just a cinematic stand-in created for dramatic effect. Regardless of whether the mystery aircraft is an actual sixth-generation demonstrator, its appearance brings renewed focus to the global race for next-gen aerial supremacy. The shift from fifth-generation jets, like the F-22, F-35, J-20, and Su-57, to sixth-generation platforms represents a pivotal transformation in the conduct of aerial warfare. Since their emergence in the 2000s, fifth-generation fighters have offered a mix of low observability, advanced sensors, and digital combat integration that far surpass older designs. These aircraft don't just fly faster or turn tighter, they integrate stealth shaping, internal weapon storage, thrust vectoring engines, and advanced radar with digital brains capable of synthesizing enormous streams of data. The result? Fighter pilots who can see more, shoot earlier, and remain undetected longer. Now, nations across the globe are pouring resources into sixth-generation projects. These next-level jets are expected to debut in the 2030s and will build upon the foundation laid by their predecessors. The United States, China, and Russia are all pursuing next-gen fighter programs, while coalitions in Europe and Asia, like the UK-Japan-Italy GCAP and the France-Germany-Spain FCAS project, are developing their own advanced platforms. What distinguishes sixth-generation aircraft isn't just better stealth or bigger engines. They're being built around data, designed from the ground up to connect with satellites, drones, and each other in real time. Engineers envision aircraft that can operate autonomously or with pilots, supported by AI co-pilots that manage sensors, assign drone wingmen, or even take control during emergencies. With helmet-mounted AR systems replacing physical instrument panels and AI seamlessly fusing sensor input, pilots will act more like battlefield coordinators than traditional dogfighters. These new jets will likely feature tailless designs and radar-resistant materials to further reduce detectability across radar, infrared, and electromagnetic spectrums. They'll also run on adaptive cycle engines that shift performance on demand, balancing fuel efficiency and raw thrust as needed. Some may even be armed with laser weapons or hypersonic missiles, giving them the ability to intercept incoming threats or strike targets before those targets know they've been found. Critically, sixth-gen programs are pushing for optionally manned systems, allowing aircraft to be piloted or flown as fully autonomous drones depending on the mission. The growing concept of manned-unmanned teaming (MUMT) will see human pilots commanding swarms of intelligent unmanned systems, dubbed loyal wingmen or collaborative combat aircraft, that scout, jam, or engage targets independently. This shift is already shaping military doctrine. In the near future, elite piloted aircraft may enter contested airspace flanked by robotic allies that absorb risk, extend sensor reach, or even carry out coordinated strikes. These AI-enabled systems will change how wars are fought, transforming air forces into distributed networks of manned and unmanned assets that operate as one. Developing such systems takes time and vast resources. Countries like Sweden, India, Turkey, and others are developing stealth drones or lighter unmanned platforms to leap into the advanced air combat arena without the full cost of a manned sixth-gen jet. Meanwhile, European nations are pooling resources to stay competitive, recognizing that no single country can master this technological leap alone. Future air dominance will rely less on any one aircraft's capability and more on seamless integration across platforms. Every element, from space-based reconnaissance to battlefield drones, must work together, communicating securely through robust cloud-linked data links. With cyber threats rising, designers are embedding encryption, redundancy, and AI-driven threat detection into every layer of these digital ecosystems. Stealth, though still vital, is no longer sufficient on its own. Aircraft must now hide from radar, evade infrared sensors, and defend against electronic warfare. 6th-gen platforms are likely to incorporate modular stealth components, adjustable configurations that allow optimization for either stealth or raw performance depending on the mission. Meanwhile, the use of energy-based weapons is no longer science fiction. Lasers are being tested for missile defense and counter-drone operations, though limitations in power generation and cooling systems remain. Once solved, these technologies could radically reshape close-in aerial combat and offer nearly unlimited defensive shots without traditional ammunition constraints. Doctrines are evolving alongside technology. In 5th-gen tactics, stealth fighters often lead the charge, penetrating enemy airspace, taking out defenses, and directing less advanced aircraft that follow. 6th-generation platforms will build on this role, acting not just as spearheads but as strategic coordinators, controlling entire operations from airborne command positions. Their extended sensor range and combat flexibility will make them key players in early strike campaigns or strategic patrols over volatile areas. Looking forward, their influence may even extend into space. Concepts suggest future fighters may guide satellites, coordinate with orbital sensors, or launch space-capable munitions. Cross-domain operations will blur the lines between air, space, and cyber warfare, requiring joint doctrines across branches and allied forces. Due to their staggering cost, 6th-gen jets are expected to be deployed sparingly. Militaries may reserve them for critical operations, neutralizing anti-air networks or spearheading deep strikes, while drones and legacy aircraft handle supporting roles. As with nuclear submarines or stealth bombers, their presence alone may serve as a strategic deterrent. In this new age of digital warfare, tomorrow's air superiority won't come from superior speed or firepower alone. It will come from coordination, linking manned and unmanned platforms into synchronized, intelligent systems that dominate the sky with information, precision, and speed. For air forces that fail to evolve, the cost may be irrelevance. For those who master this transformation, the skies remain theirs to command.